what's up guys? I got a haul to share with y'all. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all the items I got during the $4.95. I believe, was it $4.95? I think it was $4.95. I don't think, or was it $5.95, y'all? I don't remember. But yeah, one of those sales that recently happened. It was only for the fragrance mist though. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got during that sale. So let's get going with it. Let me open this up here. Okay. Alright, so I got 6 of them in total. So I'm just going to pull them out one by one. The first one I'm going to share with you guys. The first one I'm going to share with you guys is this here. I got the Moana, the Disney Princess collection. Is this not focusing? Okay, there we go. I'm sorry. I got this Moana. Let's see the fragrance notes. I like this packaging a lot. It's really nice. Okay, fragrance notes are lush green palms, Palmaria breeze, and coconut water. Let's take a whiff of this, you guys. Let's take a whiff. Ooh, very tropically. I do sort of smell the coconut, but it's not as like coconutty as like a lot of their other fragrances. Actually, it's like a perfect blend of like coconut and like tropical something. Even though coconut is tropical, but like y'all, it's like, I'm not sure if it's like a tropical fruit. It's like a little fruity. That one is really good. It does like smell like the beach or like an island. I'm gonna say it smells like an island. Okay, so that's Moana. I also got the Tiana, the Princess Tiana from the Disney Princess collection. This is, the fragrance notes are delicate water lily, gilded amber, and shimmering bayou woods. This packaging looks like very nice. Okay, let's see. Oh, yes, I like this one. I really like this one. What are the notes again? Delicate water lily. Like, I smell, I don't know if it's just me. I do smell like a floral. But also, like, there's like a sweetness to this one. Maybe it's just me. I don't know, but I really like this. It's like kind of like a sweet floral almost. I wonder how this would last. I really like this one. Honestly, I feel like I like this one more than the Moana one. Although I love like the tropical scents. But this Tiana right here, y'all, I was like, I didn't know which one of these I should get, like the Disney Princess ones from the Disney Princess collection. But I was like, I just had to look at the notes to see which one I would possibly like. And oh my gosh, this one, you guys. Let me know if there's like another scent like from the Disney Princess collection that you guys might like the most. Like, I kind of want to see what the other ones smell like. But yeah, let me know which ones y'all like out of that collection. Okay, the next one I have here is, the video just stopped, but I think my finger might have hit a button. But okay, we have here All Eyes on Her. Is this not the right top? I feel like I accidentally swapped tops. Okay, there we go. There we go. Because sometimes like in the box, like the tops kind of fall off. But I had like a top from a different one. Okay, so fragrance notes. Ripe blackberry, gold jasmine, and velvety sandalwood. Let's take a little whiffy whiff of this one. Let's see. Ooh. This sort of reminds me of like, It sort of reminds me of like the Fall in Bloom, which was like one of my all-time favorites, like fragrances. I was wearing the crap out of that one. I got like 2 of those. Y'all know, for me personally, I don't buy a second one unless like I really, really, really like it, obviously. But like that one, y'all, that one needs to come back. That's what this reminds me of, the Fall in Bloom. But it's like slightly like, I feel like it's lighter. It's lighter than that one. So if y'all like Fall in Bloom, this right here, this is it right there. I'm probably going to be wearing the mess out of this. It's so nice. It's like really pretty. Okay, next here from that same collection, I got Strawberry Flirt. Fragrance notes are strawberry jam, vibrant poppy, cotton candy, musk. Let's see what this is. What this is like. Let's see. Oh shoot, I just sprayed the box like a goofy goober. Let's see. This one is light to me. It is floral, like fruity, floral, sweet, but it's kind of light. Let me spray it again. This one is light to me. I thought I would smell more of like strawberry. Like, it's pretty light, but it still smells really good. It's like fruity floral. I like it, but it might not be one of those ones that I use a lot of because it is very light. I do like some light fragrances, but like I just would, if only this one was like a little bit stronger, I think I would like it more. Like I don't like too strong of a fragrance where it's gonna make my head hurt, but like if it's like fruity floral, regular floral and it's strong, I'm not gonna like that. But if it's like fruity floral, I want it to last, y'all. I like my sweet florals, but it's okay. It's like a so-so. So that's Strawberry Flirt. The next one I have here is I was about to say it's Pistachio Glaze fragrances. I've heard a lot of good things about this one. Pistachio cream, toasted vanilla, and sugared patchouli. Let's see what this is working with. I smelled it before I even like stuck my nose into the cap. That's really good. If you guys saw my last video, I did a review on like the, what is it called? Those fragrance oils, those perfume oils, and the pistachio whipped. It was like pistachio whipped cream or something like that. That would go beautifully with this. This is really good. It smells like you can eat, like almost like you can eat this, you guys. It smells really good. I really like this one. That's really good. Pistachio Glaze. And the last one I got here, I saved it for last. It is the Sweetest Song, you guys. This is like one of their newer fragrances. Blush, raspberries, sugar crystals, and whipped musk is the fragrance notes. Let's see what this is working with. Oh, I like how this nozzle is like kind of matte-like. And this bottle, I'm really enjoying this bottle. Did it get kind of dim, y'all? It looks dim in here. No, I'm sorry. This camera is not doing it justice. I feel like the color is a little bit off, but enough with that. Let's take a whiff. Okay. I didn't expect that. Very perfumey. Very much perfumey. It smells like something I've smelled before. It doesn't smell new to me. Hold on. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything like special. It smells good, but it just doesn't smell like a new fragrance. You know what I mean? Like, this is a new fragrance. I have not smelled anything like this before. or like the pistachio from Bath and Body Works. But this, like again, it smells good, but I feel like, because I don't smell any like sugar crystals, or like, maybe it's because it's the musk. The musk is making it more like perfumey, like, and if that's what you like if you want like a sweet, like, perfume, a fruity but musky perfume, you would definitely like this. So that is Sweetest Song. That is all of the fragrances that I got. Let's move this box out of here. I'm gonna rank these now from my favorite to least favorite. Obviously, Tiana at the Bayou. Yeah, that's number 1. Number 2, let me see. Moana. This right here, Pistachio, I think is next. All Eyes on Her or Moana. I love the islands, so we're gonna go Moana next, and then All Eyes on Her, and then Strawberry Flirt, and then Sweetest Song is last, y'all. Like, I'm kind of disappointed, because I thought like maybe that would be like a fragrance that I would really like. I think because it's pink, and pink is my favorite color, so I'm expecting the best out of anything that's pink colored, honestly. But this surprised me for sure. I'm gonna wear the mess out of this. This kind of smells. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna wear this like right now, actually. I wonder how much different it's gonna be like on my skin. That's really good. I'm gonna do a whole review on this one. If there's another one that you want me to do, that you guys would like me to do a whole review on, just let me know. But definitely gonna do a review on this, like Last in Power and all of that. But yeah, this is my lineup. Y'all, I'm feeling this. Like, I might have to get another one. When's the next sale? Is it just gonna be SAS? Is SAS the next sale? Y'all, I don't know. But this is Tiana. What you doing, Tiana? That's really good. I like this one a lot. And the Moana, like the top 3, these 3 are like, I'm very happy with my purchase. These are really good too, especially this, because it reminds me of Fall and Bloom, and that was like one of my favorite fall fragrances. But yeah, you guys, this is gonna be the end of this video. If you like it, like it. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. Share it if you want to. But yeah, you guys, it's gonna be the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.